If you've got some really beat up work boots, you can actually make them look semi-presentable in a couple of minutes. So you can see I just took care of this guy right here, and previously I repaired the sole with shoe glue, as I usually do. And so what I use for this purpose is basically a dye. There are all kinds of brands out there. This seems to work for me just fine. And so what I do is I place a little bit in a small container. You need one of these fuzzy applicators, and then you just go at it. Super simple. Make sure you do this in a well-ventilated place, because this stuff is pretty nasty. So you can see how fast it goes. I'm not really trying to make them look very pretty, just more or less okay. So this is leather, covers leather very quickly. So you can kind of see how this goes. I'm not gonna spend a bunch of time doing the whole thing, but what I wanted to show you is if there's an upper portion, this is fabric, it'll take care of that as well. So you can actually dye fabrics if you want to. So this is pretty much what the process looks like. As far as fabric is concerned, you do need to let it dry because it kind of absorbs the dye, so it's a little wet, as you can see on my glove. Make sure you wear gloves when you do this. It stains your skin, and it's going to take a long time to come off, so make sure you wear gloves. Let me just do a little bit more here. So the leather part of it dries very fast. As I mentioned, the fabric part not as quickly, so it's a good idea to just let them sit outside maybe for a day or so. And in the end, you end up with something like this. I mean, nothing to write home about, but better than it was.